is set up on a grid coordinate system. That is so we can define what?
Point.
The location of a point, correct? Because until we define that location, it doesn't truly exist, does it? So we have to have some way to do this. An x and y grid coordinate system, horizontal, vertical, allows us to define two-dimensional points. Now, this is broken into 4 quadrants. When we go forward on our line, we have a positive number. When we go up on our line, we have a positive number. Coordinates are listed x, comma, y. So when we list these, x, comma, y, which direction do we go first?
Right.
We go the x direction first, which is which plane? Horizontal. So if I put a dot on our graph, we would count forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our coordinate is 6. And then we count going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our coordinate is 6, comma, 5. If we are in quadrant number 1. If we are in quadrant number 2, which way do we go on the x-axis? We go to the left. We would go to the left. So if I have a dot on quadrant 2, which way do we count first? We count the horizontal axis first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But which way did we go? Negative 6. We are negative 6. And we go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Very good. We come to quadrant 3. When we're in quadrant 3, we go on the horizontal axis, negative, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we went down, 1, 2, 3. So where are we, positive or negative?
Negative.
We are negative 3. And then our final quadrant, we went forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we came down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are positive 9, negative 9. So for reference, all in this quadrant will be positive, negative. In this quadrant, we will be positive, positive. In this quadrant, we will be negative, positive. And finally, negative, negative. Now, one thing to note. When we are counting, where did I start every time? 0, 0. That's called the point of origin. So when you were working on your assignment, you do not count from your first dot. You count from the point of origin every time. So on TD1, your first assignment tells you to go to 0, 4. So 0, we didn't go anywhere on the x-axis, then we went up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be right here. The next one tells you to go to negative 5, 4. So first I'm going to go back to my point of origin, then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative, then up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is how those works. Now, as promised, I told you when we got to this assignment I would talk about arcs again. Because the definition of an arc tells us that what? A curved line does what? It has an infinite number of points and changes it every direction. So I'm going to draw a curved line on here. Okay, the first point. We can define the first point, can we not? On the x-axis, it is negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And did we go up or down? No. It is 0. Now the next point, do we ever touch negative 10 again on this number line? No, because we have started to move. Do we ever touch negative 10, 0, I should say? We do not. The next time we have anything that's a 0, it's over here, but now we're at positive 10, 0. Can everybody see with the arc drawn on the line how we change an infinite number of places?
Of course.
All right. This is pretty simple. You have two drawings. On the first drawing, the locations are given to you. You will use that to determine the locations, and your answers will look just like this. X, Y coordinates. On the bottom drawing, you will plot each coordinate from the numbers given. You will write the XY coordinate by the number, and then you will play connect the dots. You will connect the last dot to the first dot. Any questions?